Alright guys, working on a 650. Because we're complaining about a whistling noise. Let's see if I get this. Alright, there we go. Had a broken bolt right here. This last one. What a pain in the ass. I actually have the motor mount loose. I got it on a jack stand so I could bring up the engine up a little bit higher so I could get the drill in there. There's the bolt. Yeah, clean right off. Got it drilled right down the center. Pretty good. It's easy out. Yeah, so I've been on it since this morning. It's about almost lunchtime. Getting ready to put it all back together. Comes with a exhaust gasket right there. Yeah, it's my knees are killing me because moving around and stepping on everything and just crazy. So yeah, 650, big motherfucker right here. But it's ready to go. All right. You got any questions? Let me know. All right. Catch you next time.